Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put borders around two columns in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to put borders around two columns. Firstly, go to a blank page. Double click on the blank page. Then go to the Tools section and select the Table Tools. Then draw a table to these pages. Now we can see we draw a table. Now we want to put borders around two columns. Firstly, click inside the table and select the two column. Click and drag on our mouse. Then enable the tables option, and we can see here many options. Now we want to add border. Select this color. Otherwise, you can increase the whiteness. Then click outside of the table and close the panel. Then select the move tool, and we can see we put borders around two columns very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.